I was exhausted from trying everything to lose weight diets, intense workouts, even skipping meals, but nothing worked. Then I found Mitolyn, a natural supplement that supports healthy mitochondria levels. Mitochondria are like tiny engines in our cells that help burn fat and boost energy. Since I started taking Mitolyn, my metabolism feels supercharged. I'm finally seeing the weight come off, and I have more energy throughout the day. It's amazing how one simple change can make such a big difference. Mitolyn is helping me become the healthier, happier
On
me.
social media. It's brand new. It's been shared over 1 million times on social media, and it's supercharging metabolisms everywhere. They call it the purple peel exploit, a revolutionary way to boost your body's calorie burning power. Discovered by a top US scientist, this simple trick ignites your metabolism, helping you burn calories 3x faster, even while you sleep. No diets, no workouts, no injections, just one quick exploit before bed. In the video, the scientist reveals exactly how to do this odd calorie burning exploit yourself. Thousands are already using it and sharing life-changing results. One user said, "I started waking up lighter every day, without changing anything else. Try it tonight. Wake up tomorrow feeling the difference." Click the button below and watch the video for more information.
Tired of trying to lose weight and nothing works? Exhausting diets, hours in the gym, and the weight that does not give? It's time to change this. Meet Mitolyn, an innovative formula that accelerates metabolism, reduces appetite naturally, and gives you even more energy to face the day with mood. Real and proven results, more health and self-esteem. The time has come for the transformation you deserve. Don't delay your move. Click now on the link and find out how Mitolyn can transform your life.